Today I'm going to help you tackle the shade garden with 5 perennial pairings that are going to dazzle you in spring and keep giving you color throughout the summer. So let's start with Hosta Dancing Queen, which has brilliant gold foliage season through. We're going to pair it up with a red Dicentra Valentine. This is a beautiful combination. It's going to pop right through spring, and then the Hosta is going to take over from there. Our next combination is a Japanese painted Fern, Ethereum Niponicum pictum, beautiful silver and purple highlights. We're pairing it up with the purple Epimedium Merlin. You can see that's a great combination with the lilac flowers and the purple tinted foliage. Then we have a brilliant twist of line Heuchera, which thrives in the shade, and we're pairing it up with a Pulmonaria Trevi fountain with pink flowers that fade to a rich blue that the hummingbirds absolutely adore. Our next pairing is Brunnera Alexander's Great, a perennial forget-me-not with silvery leaves and blue forget-me-not flowers. And we're pairing it up with a Hakone macra all gold, golden Hakone grass. Last but not least is Corydalis Royal Purple, which we're pairing up with Autumn Fern or Dryopteris Erythrosaura. So a nice combination of coppery fronds with purplish blue blooms.